y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is gonna be my long-awaited apartment tour. Y'all have been asking for this. I moved in May. Y'all been asking for it literally June, July, August, September. So yeah, finally here with it. If you have not watched this video, it is titled Q&A plus apartment update while moving. It gives you all the details. I need you to watch that video first and then come back to this one if you have not watched it, because I explain why I'm moving. I show you and tell you the things that I was going for this apartment that I would have done if I would have stayed here, because the apartment isn't finished. Like, it's finished, but it's not like to my expectations or to what I was trying to go for. So I did show different pictures from Pinterest and just kind of giving you the rundown of like what I wanted. So please go check out that video before you watch this one. And for those of you who don't go check it out, if you ask me something that I've already answered in that video, I'm not going to answer it again. So yeah, we're gonna hop right into this apartment tour. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe so you can join the family. So let's get it. Okay, so I lost my footage of me showing the living room, so here it is. When you walk in, this is actually from Christmas. Yes, I still have my Christmas stuff up, don't mind that. But this is actually a bath rug, but I used it for the living room when I was trying to decorate for Christmas because it all tied together. Anyways, that's that. Come over this way. I got my curtains from Big Lots. I have to go back and exchange the white ones because obviously they don't go all the way down. This is 63 inches and I think it's the 83 inches one. And the pillows are also from Big Lots. Really cute, really fluffy. The chairs are from Amazon. My tree is from Big Lots, all of that. These curtains are actually the velvet type curtains. I don't really know how I feel about the setup. Once I get longer curtains, I may see how I really like it, but yeah, that's that. And this is why I'm moving. Like I said, go watch that video. I don't have any storage space, so I got to keep my YouTube stuff and all of that over here in the corner in the living room. So that's just random stuff. And then my lamps are from TJ Maxx. I actually had these in a vlog, but I like these because of the marble, and then you can charge your phone right there. So I have one over here and one on the other side, so if I have company, they can charge their phone. I really like this cup. Work until your signature becomes an autograph, period. You trying to say something? What's up? And these little candle holders are from Big Lots. I also have them on either side, and I have a candle going right now. All of my living room stuff will be changed probably once I move. My couch is from Furniture Row. The throw blanket is from like TJ Maxx or Burlington or somewhere. Rug is from At Home, and my table is from Walmart. If I don't mention something, just go back and look at my vlogs. I did mention where I got everything from. And on my table, I keep this little book of Chanel, remote. Got this stuff from At Home, just a cute little centerpiece. My candle is from TJ Maxx. This one smells really good. It's a company made especially for dogs. It was really cute, the little saying. And then I keep my remote for my candles. That's right over there. And under here, I didn't really have anything to put under my table. So I get these magazines. I don't know why. I don't know if I did a subscription or something, but I keep getting magazines. So until I find something to put right there, I'm just gonna have those random magazines right there. So yeah, that's pretty much my living room. Over here to where my TV is at, I still have my Christmas stuff up. Like I said, I'm gonna take it down probably in about a week, I don't know. But yeah, I just have my stockings on either side, these little trees, and my entertainment center. This isn't the entertainment center that I'm going to be keeping. I explained that in the other video. But for the time being, I just got this box that had a wig in it. It's marble, so it matched my theme, so I got that. This is me and my best friend. We went to go see Jacob Lattimore. My Wi-Fi box, my high school diploma, this little whatever these are called. Got this from Dollar Tree actually for only $5. Keep some books down there, a notebook, and these little bins are from Big Lots. This is for extra electronics, and this is just random stuff. And these candles are actually from Big Lots. Also, I got them because they were full of bling. This is actually part of our Christmas collection, but it looks really cute. And then these plants I also got from Big Lots. They're pretty sturdy. And I just keep a pair of house shoes right here. And my TV. And then this little sign. So yeah, that's my living room. And then I also have this picture. It is from at home. Didn't really know what else to put over here, but that's what I got. And yeah, this is pretty much my living room. And then going towards the kitchen, this is where I store my YouTube stuff because I don't have any storage space. So I keep it kind of back there. This is Prince's section in the living room. He has this toy box, and then this is his bed. You gonna tell him about your crib? Tell him what's up. And I made a cute bow to go on this for the holidays, but this is the kitchen. I explained in the video why I don't have another chair. And this was my placement for the holidays. These flowers actually go where my tree is. And this is like my business / school area. My diplomas and certificates and stuff is right there, my degree. And then down right here is where Prince eats. This mat and stuff is from TJ Maxx. Then he needs more water. And on my counter, I don't like a lot of stuff on the counter, but I just have my toaster, hand sanitizer. This food scale I actually keep in the cabinet because it's red. This is from Burlington or TJ Maxx, and you already know my grease trick. Put it in one of your old candles. I usually keep that in the fridge. And yeah, just pretty standard basics. Rice maker, my blender, my utensils for the kitchen. And that was my Christmas decor right here. I gotta take that down. And then my fridge. And over here I keep my mail, and then trash can and scale. And my pantry, I didn't do a pantry organization. Sorry that it's dark. I'm gonna do that in my next place because it's gonna be so much bigger. Keep my vacuum cleaner, broom, and my Swiffer. He decided he wants to eat. And right here is my laundry area. Apartment came with washer and dryer, and this is my only storage in the whole entire apartment. So this is like holiday stuff, extra blanket for company. This is tissue and paper towels is stocked in there. My blow dryer. This is all Prince's stuff right here, and you know, just laundry stuff. So that's how this area looks. What? And then moving on, right before we go into my room, this is where I keep my keys and Prince harness, and then my little Steve Madden umbrella. Down here is my work badge, and then this is our tracker that they have us on at work, and I keep a little pen from Dollar Tree on there. This little setup was actually supposed to be in my bathroom, but my bathroom isn't as big as my last bathroom that I moved here from. So this is like all my bathroom stuff, but literally it fits perfectly in this little area. So I just put it right here. I mean, it's my place, I don't care. So yeah, just Germex, bath salt, just stuff that I would keep in my bathroom, basically, is what's right here. And before we go in the room, I have a full body mirror. So this one is from Big Lots, but literally they have them everywhere. You can find this at Walmart, honestly. And then stepping into my room, the rug is from Ross, I believe. My rack is from Walmart. This is just clothes that's been sent to me, or new ones that I bought. Trash can is from Walmart. Cubbies from Walmart, places like that. This is my temporary dresser. And then my TV. And then I got this cute little organizer for my jewelry from Ross. This is Prince section over here. And this right here, I've been looking for more little bitty plants to add right here, but I can't really find any. So in my new place, I think I kind of want to do something different with this, but you'll see that. And then I have my lights. I will insert a video of how it looks at night. And then my clock, bought it a couple years ago from Ross. My bed headboard will be linked in my Amazon store. And then this is my bedding. This pillow is from Big Lots. These three came with my white comforter. I bought that pillow for my hair. And then 2 king pillows. My quilt is from Bed Bath & Beyond. My throw blanket is maybe Walmart. And then this tray will be linked. I got it from Amazon. And I keep a lighter from my candles, remote, just the things that I grab on an everyday basis. My laptop. This is my prayer book. I write my, you know, prayers and stuff in. And then my monthly budget plan I keep right here also. And that's pretty much the basics of my room. This is the lamp that goes into the living room. My diffuser, like all of this stuff, like this table is probably going to be thrown out when I move, because I explained in the video why. Moving on, this is my vanity area. I built this a couple years ago. And then I got my hats up there. So pretty much self-explanatory, just random decorations. Put my hats up. My vanity, there's 1,000 videos of how to build your vanity. All the stuff I got is from like Ross. And I don't know what I did, but I got my candle on my wall. And this whole side down here is for my makeup, and then this side is usually for my school stuff. Moving on to the bathroom, my closet, I just put those letters right there. My closet is smaller than what they advertised. I talked about that in the video, but this is basically the rundown. Have my shoes, extra storage right here. My winter stuff is always on the bottom, and my summertime, spring stuff is on the top. Got a few wigs, more shoes up there, my keepsake box. Like I said, I don't have storage, so this is where I gotta store my Christmas tree and other like random boxes. Keep my luggage in here, hamper, one of my backpacks, and I got pants. I bought these pants hangers from maybe Ross or TJ Maxx, and then in some of my vlogs you guys see me come to the back of my door. This is why, because I have shoes back here on the back of my door. And then I keep my workout stuff kind of right there, and then this one right here. And all my Bath and Body Works stuff right here. So yeah, that's basically my closet. Moving on to the bathroom, I couldn't decorate it how I wanted to, but it's okay. I've had this little rack from forever from Ross. My shower curtain just says "Get Naked." This little picture, I got this from Big Lots, and this came with my candle holder that's in my living room, and I just keep my basic necessities that I use on an everyday basis right here. And I reuse my candle holders. As you know, I like to put them to use, so I'm putting cotton balls in that one, and I'm putting Q-tips in this one. I need another one because baby, that's gross. And yeah, got my mirror, got vanity lights in here. This is for my toothbrush, and then just the basics. I put container organizers in here to kind of help me stay organized with stuff, if you want to see what I have in my drawers. And then I got cubbies and stuff down up in there. And this one I just keep, you know, basic necessities, cleaning stuff, and my towels and stuff is in here. And that's basically my apartment. There's nothing special about it because, like I said, I'm just kind of done and over it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, we will see you then. You gonna tell them bye? No? No, bye-bye? See y'all later.